Hello, my loyal viewer. Yes, you're right there. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use my strategies on the regular market. In my experience, the OTC market and the regular market, there is not a big difference. It's just a very slight difference. One is more volatile than the other. But I will talk more about this while I'm taking my trade. So let's find some beautiful opportunities. Taking this for $300, guys. The reason why I saw that the price closed on my supply area. Okay. So yes, let me say something real quick to you guys, right? Many people might try to complain and say that, oh, pocket option might be different with OTC. But to be honest with you guys, if you do not learn trading, you're going to get casino results, right? Meaning many people say that they are trading, but they're actually not trading because they don't have no knowledge. Like, how can you expect to make money without knowledge? Like, come on, like common sense, right? Like, that's so ridiculous. It's just because you see the candle going up and going down, you think you will just buy and go up to. No, you need to understand the market, understand the psychology behind your strategy. If you don't understand, you cannot expect to beat somebody who understand. And that's the thing, you're competing with people who understand the market. That's it. Let's continue this speech on the next trade. Taking this because the price rejected from the supply. It didn't close on it fully, but I see that the rejection is very strong based on candlestick psychology. When you understand candlestick psychology, guys, you can literally know what happened in the candle without going into the lower time frame. I don't know if you guys ever heard about top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, when you know candlestick psychology, you're basically knowing top-down analysis in your brain already. See what I'm saying? Because each candle you see, guys, in the lower time frame, it's telling a story. Okay? So I know that it's a top-down analysis story about how the lower time frame moved, and because I knew that, I took this trade for a buy because I see that rejection is very strong. Okay, and this is the reason why in binary option it's crucial to learn candlestick psychology. I'm taking this one also. Okay, I found this one very quickly, guys. Let my market show you. So I saw that there was a rejection from this supply here. This supply already worked, but as I said before, based on top-down analysis, candlestick psychology, I can see the pressure is still here. There's a lot of buying pressure here, guys. You could see, check the rejection on this candle. It's insane. Anyway, let's talk about the OTC and the regular market. As I was saying, with OTC, you have the luxury to trade any time frame. You can use flag mode. You have so much advantage in flexibility, and I love that, guys, because look at this. I entered the trade and it doesn't close. If this was OTC, I could have used flag mode and my trade will close here. You see what I'm saying? I have to wait for the timer to run out. I'm going to continue trading here just so I can explain to you guys. So on the regular pair, guys, you have less flexibilities, and remember, it's their platform, so we have to abide by their rules. You see what I'm saying? Check this out now. If I was on OTC pair, right, and I wanted to take this trade with margin of safety and everything, I could have, but check this, my trade will not close exactly with this trade and this candle. You see what I'm saying? No, if I was on flag mode, I could have closed my trade out right here and it would be a winning trade. No, I have to sit down and wait for this trade to still close, because on the regular pair, you cannot trade 1 minute with flag mode. And that's a disadvantage. You see, the price is coming back down to me. So this is things that can make you lose trades if you want to trade candlestick psychology. It's just, I don't know, guys. OTC, you just have more options. That's it. and I choose it because of those reasons. Let's find our next opportunity. I'm taking this for 3 trades. Guys, even when you're in the mentorship, right? You can trade. When you're in the mentorship, you will able to trade even Forex with my strategies, guys. Right? You can use Forex, futures, because my strategies, they all work on every single pair, even OTC, regular market, as you guys seen right here, it's working. So whenever a person might say, if I buy your mentorship, will it work on the regular pair? Yes. As you can see, it will work on the regular pair. The thing is, you notice my trade didn't close on this candle. If I was on the OTC, my trade would have closed here because I would have the luxury to close it here. But unfortunately, it's playing around now. So this is the reason why I trade OTC mostly, guys, because of these reasons. You see that? I end up lose a trade which could have been a winning trade. But no problem. We're going to find better opportunity. I'm glad this happened. This is a prime example of why I use OTC pair, guys. It's crazy. I'm noticing a very strong rejection from this candle here. Okay, and it came right into this supply. And I'm expecting this candle to at least engulf it. Alright. So guys, you notice previously on the other trade, you notice I won the trade and still lose. You see, this is the reason why I prefer OTC. Because if I was on the OTC pair, I wouldn't lose that trade. And that's crazy. That's crazy, but that's how the platform works. You know, we don't have an option but to work with the flow. And again, guys, there's no difference with the OTC pair, and anyone who doesn't want to trade it, that's up to you. But as I said before, you can still trade my strategies and the regular pair also, as you see right here. It works every pair. Guys, you can even trade it with the cryptocurrency and pocket option also, and the stocks also. So it works everywhere, guys. I hope you understand. Alright, I'm taking this. I'm going very heavy on this trade here because I've been searching for a very long while. Now I found something. Let me mark it, then I will start explaining to you guys. I love to mark these even though I don't have to, because of you guys need to see what I'm doing exactly. Yeah, so basically guys, you could see that the price closed in my demand area, and then I get a rejection Marabosa candle, which is very nice. So I'm expecting price to go higher. Yes, plus we are with the major trend and the smaller trend. As you can see, there is a rally base rally going higher, and based on everything I'm seeing here, this trade will close as a short shot. Let's see. Okay, we have 4 seconds leave, which is very nice. Beautiful. Okay, let's find. Hold on. I'm gonna take more trades here, guys. Oh, damn, my entry. Okay. Damn, guys. Oh my god. You see that supply, that demand is super strong. As you guys see that jump, guys. And look at this. I'm on the regular pair, guys. Okay. And this is the same strategy I showed you guys yesterday on the OTC. So when people think that OTC is way different, it's more volatile. That's the difference. Okay, and when something is more volatile, it requires more knowledge, you know. So that's why if you're gonna even trade OTC, you will definitely need my mentorship, because you will need to understand the difference between the strength of the strategies and the weakness of the strategies. Okay, so you can apply them to each market conditions, because each market condition is different and it requires different approach. Taking this, guys, based on what I'm seeing here, if you pay attention here, this is a doji in between 2 green candles, which is showing me continuation sign. Okay, because remember that dojis signifies a range going on, and then we broke that range, so I'm expecting the price to go higher, and it's in the form of a rally based rally. So that's more confirmation, plus we are coming from the demand area. So this is a lot of reasons, and there are a lot of strong reasons. So I'm expecting to win this trade. How many? We have 20 seconds leave on this candle. Yes, guys, so as I was saying to you, all of my strategies, they work on all markets. No markets are exceptions. You just need to master the strategies, and you need the deep details about the strategies. And that's the reason why I created the mentorship. And this will be the end of my session, guys. If you want to learn trading on another level to be more excel in your career in trading, you can contact me on Telegram. But remember, guys, my mentorship is paid mentorship. All the free content or all the free strategies, I already sharing them on YouTube. So if you are serious about trading and you want to learn behind the scenes about all these indicators, strategies, and candlestick psychology, and you want to learn everything the right time to trade, you can pay for the mentorship and you will learn all those stuff. So this will be the end of the video, and I will be creating a part 2 about OTC versus regular market. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.